Hi everyone, this is Sana Kauri. Welcome to Lotus YouTube channel, and today we will be creating video on the topic how to use lipstick in different ways. I have already created this look. Let me show you how I did that. So without wasting time, let's get started. I'll be using this red lipstick to hide my dark circles. Now you can see I have applied red lipstick under my eyes and on my pigmented area. I'll be blending this with this beauty blender. As you can see, I have used red lipstick to correct the pigmented area. Now I'll be using this concealer to set it. So I'm using this light concealer to cover my under eye dark circles. Some here also to cover this pigmented area. Now I'm going to blend it again. Let me tell you one secret for a flawless base blending. Now you can see my under eye is completely set. The dark circles are less visible. I'm going to use foundation to complete the base. Now I'm using this Pro Edit Lotus Skin Touch Foundation for my flawless base. Whenever you are applying foundation, never skip your neck and ear. Again, time for some blending. So my base is completely done now. I will be setting this base with my compact powder. This is again from Lotus. So I want to set it with this compact powder. I really love the finish of this compact powder. It's very silky, silk touch finish. आजकल जैसे बाहर बहुत गर्मी है तो आपको बेस सेट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Otherwise, if you go out in summers, the complete makeup will be melt. So it's important to set it with compact powder. So my base is completely set now, and I'm really looking the way it has turned out to be. So now I will be telling you the second usage of lipstick. So it's not very important to use eyeshadow only on your eyes. You can even create a nice sheen on your eyes, nice pigment on your eyes with lipstick also. I will be showing you how to do that. Now I'm using this lipstick from Lotus. This is Mellow Nude. I will be using this on my eyes now to create a nice defined pigmented eyes. इस तरीके से आपको अपनी आईज पे एक डेप्थ क्रिएट करनी है. You can even blend it through with your fingers, or you can even use brush, but I'm gonna blend it with my finger. You can see a really nice pigment is there on my eyes. This eye, you can compare it with this eyes, and I think it's giving a little shiny look. It's creating a sheen on my eyes, and it's looking perfect for summer, because I don't think so everyone likes to overdo makeup in summer. We like to keep it really minimal, so this is the best hack, I guess. तो आप देख सकते हैं मेरी दोनों आईज पे काफ़ी एक डिफाइंड आईज क्रिएट हो चुकी हैं विद शीन, एंड इट्स लुकिंग रियली नेचुरल. इफ़ यू वांट टू कंप्लीट इट विद eyeliner, you can do that, but I like to keep it really minimal, so I'm gonna finish it with mascara. I'm using this Lotus Eco Stay Volumizing Mascara now. Wow, I really love how my eyelashes are becoming longer with one stroke only. My mascara is done now. Now I'll be using the same lipstick on my cheeks as a blush. And some on nose also. Now I will be blending this. Now I'm using this red lipstick on my lips to enhance my look. I think something is missing. I think I should use eyeliner. So I have this Lotus Color Cake eyeliner, which is in dark green shade. I'm gonna apply this on my eyelid now. hope you all like this video. If you want to see such more videos of beauty hacks, beauty tricks, then you can subscribe to Lotus YouTube channel, and you can also tell me in the comment section what kind of beauty hack or beauty trick you want to see in my next video.